I am Habib Khan, President of the Council of Architecture, Ministry of Education, Government of India. I congratulate SVCA for completing 25 years, and I have seen the students' works and the competitions that are happening. And I am very happy to see the quality of work and the quantum of work that has been done by the students and the faculty, and the input that has been put in by the faculty, and especially the competitions on INTEC, where you are sensitizing students about our inherited heritage and traditions, and the IGBC, which you are trying to make them aware about sustainability and green buildings. So it's a very encouraging effort taken by the school, and I'm very happy to be here amongst all of you, and I wish all of you all the best. And these are the future architects of our country, and I am happy that they are learning to be good architects who will develop our country, our infrastructure, and help our country become a world leader soon. Architect is a very important element in the society, where you design buildings where people stay 24/7 or work 24/7. So architects are responsible for the quality of life of common citizens, and importance of engaging an architect for even if a small house, even if a room is made, you get value for your money, you get value for the effort that the architects put in, and ultimately you get a better product and a better output. Employment is very good. There are so many avenues where an architect can get employed. It's urban design, landscape, services and allied services. Then you have film production sets, you have product design, you have furniture design, and so many other avenues, more than 25, 30 avenues where architects can get employed. And it's a very versatile field where a student learns so many things, from all the subjects. It's not about any person or personality. It's about the humility and the humbleness with which Vaniji is working here, and giving freedom to run a college the way it should be run, and with I am told, no interference, and that's a very good thing. And I'm sure Narasimha Rao ji was a great leader of our country, and his daughter has inherited those traits and those genes, and I'm sure they will do good in the future as well. Council of Architecture is established under the Architects Act 1972, and it regulates architectural profession and architectural education. So we ensure that the students are benefited by the entire procedure which the council does, and to ensure that they get good education, good quality education. We are concerned about the welfare of the faculty who are teaching there in all our institutions. We are also concerned about the quality of profession that happens, the architects and the profession that is happening in our country. We are doing a lot of things to streamline profession, make it more ethical, make it more transparent, make it more committed, as we are working on the institutions as well. See, Hyderabad, I am also from Hyderabad. I was born in Hyderabad, and the kind of heritage and the kind of involvement that is there with historical architecture and modern architecture is phenomenal in Hyderabad. Every nook and corner has an old building, has a historical heritage building. Apart from Charminar and Falaknuma Palace and other Golconda Fort and other things that you have, there is so much of heritage here. Every building, every house is heritage here, and we should preserve, we should learn from what they have done, we should preserve, and we should go ahead. Our modern architecture should also be a link between what was earlier and what it is now today.